everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. Original car comes with both sound system and 360-degree camera. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to use the system and also the features that come with the system. Okay, this system is fully compatible with the Bose sound system if your car equipped with the Bose premium sound system, and also the 360-degree camera as well. You can see that it's very nice. And this is also fully compatible with all the temperature. You can also control the temperature from here. You can increase the temperature here, or maybe you can control from here. It will also show up on the screen. You can see that it's fully connected to each other. It's fully compatible. Okay. This system also comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB storage memory. It's the newest PX6 Android 9.0. It also comes with built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. This system also supports the Wi-Fi. So basically, you can also connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot and access to the internet. You can download any of the applications to the system as well. For example, you can download the YouTube, you can download the Netflix. You can also watch the movie from the USB as well, for example.
Always gets his guy. We're gonna need to operate outside.
Perfect. It's very nice. And the system also comes with built-in navigation. Okay, you can see that this is the built-in navigation. How to use the navigation? You just need to click on the bottom right corner here. Okay, and then new road address. You can enter the address right here. It also is offline. You do not need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the navigation. And the radio is right here. You can also connect to the radio here. When you click on the radio on the original menu, it will show up on the screen. It's fully compatible with the audio feature of the original car. It's also fully compatible with the steering wheel control. You can see that. You can also use this one.
Listen app. You'll find Jeremy Dutch's music
to control the temperature, to control the volume, everything. Okay. This one also comes with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. It's very nice, and this one also supports the Google Map. It also comes with the voice control. For example, bring me to the gas station. Perfect. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, and also you can use the Spotify. The sound quality is very good, and the temperature is right here. All the temperature is fully compatible here. If you control the temperature from here, it will also show up on the screen as well. It's fully compatible. We also have another video to show you how to do the full installation. There's no cutting wire, no modifications required. So basically, you just need to follow our video to do the installation. This system can be purchased from my website, www.autotecpro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.